What's up, superhumans? It's your boy Black Superman back to revolutionize your kitchen game with another gem from the Pillar Physique Method, focusing on nutritional transformation pillar. Today, we're spinning the wheel on comfort foods, turning classics like tacos, burgers and fries, homemade pizza into healthier, vitality-boosting delights without skimping on flavor. Let's dive into it and revolutionize how we feast. All right, everybody loves comfort food. It's our go-to when cravings strike. But what if we could flip the script and keep all those flavors while making these classics healthier? Here's how we do it. Number one, cutting down on fats and calories. Tacos. Swap out ground beef for lean proteins like chicken or turkey. Vegetarian fam? Use black beans or lentils. They pack a protein punch. Don't be scared of the ground beef either. Just go for a leaner cut of ground beef. Burgers. Use lean turkey or black bean patties. Add spices and herb flavor without as many fats. Amp up the toppings with fresh greens, tomatoes, and avocados. Fries? We love those crispy comfort foods, right? Use sweet potatoes instead of the regular ones and air fry them with minimal oil. Seasons with paprika, garlic, and a dash of chili for an irresistible twist. 2. Sneaky veggies additions. Incorporate shredded veggies like zucchini or carrots into meat mixtures to up your nutrient game and keep it juicy. Your taste buds won't even know. Boost flavor and vitamins by sneaking in spinach or kale into tacos. More greens, more gains. 3. Healthier cooking method. Let's chat methods. Forget deep frying. Grilling, baking, air frying are your favorite treats to drastically dial down the calorie count without watering down the taste. Use whole grain buns or lettuce wraps for burgers to increase fiber and providing a filling and healthy meal. Portion control and mindful eating. Control your serving sizes and eat mindfully. Appreciate each flavorful bite and recognize when you feel satisfied. Not stuffed, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Tips and recipes. Here are some delicious recipes to get you started. Healthy chicken tacos. Seasoned and grilled chicken strips topped with avocado, salsa, and cilantro. Serve in whole grain tortillas. Simple but powerful. Zesty turkey burger. Mix lean turkey with garlic, onion, and herbs, grill to perfection, and pop into a whole grain bun or lettuce leaf, topped with veggies and mustard for that zing without the guilt. Sweet potato fries. Slice, season, and air fry those sweet potatoes till they're crispy and golden and just the way that you like them. And there you go, superhumans. By incorporating these tricks and recipes, you're aligning with the nutritional transformation pillar of the Pillar Physique Method, fueling your body and delighting your taste buds all at one time, man. If you're digging these tips, smash the like button and subscribe for more savory secrets in the kitchen. Keep cooking, stay healthy, and enjoy the journey of transformation. It's Black Superman signing off. Keep crushing those goals, y'all. Become superhuman. I'm out.